Assalamu alaikum, this is Sumat Khan, your English language instructor, and today I'm back again with another amazing video. And in today's video, I'll be teaching you some phrases and idioms that you can use to improve your language and to sound more like a native speaker. So the first phrase is cut to the chase. Cut to the chase means get to the point. When you want to say to somebody that don't explain it, just tell me in short. जब कोई बहुत ज्यादा किसी चीज को तफसीलन बता रहा हो और आप चाह रहे हो छोटा करके बता दो तो आप कह सकते हैं गेट टू द पॉइंट। इसके लिए आप इस्तेमाल करेंगे फ्रेज का कट टू द चेज। ओके, यू कैन यूज इट लाइक डोंट एक्सप्लेन इट, just cut to the chase because I don't have enough time. Okay, so the next phrase is cool as cucumber. Cool as cucumber means calm and patient. When somebody doesn't get angry, जब किसी को छोटी छोटी बातों पर गुस्सा ना आए, इवन की व्हेन समथिंग बिग हैपेंस द पर्सन रिमेन्स काम एंड पेशेंट, तो उस इंसान को हम कहते हैं कूल एज cucumber. So I can say she is as cool as cucumber because she doesn't lose her mind even on big things. Okay, next one is cold shoulder. Cold shoulder means to ignore somebody. When somebody is ignoring you or you're ignoring somebody, you can use this phrase as she gave me a cold shoulder after the party. Okay, next if you want to say कि ताली एक हाथ से नहीं बजती, यानी कि मसला एक तरफ से नहीं होता, then you can say it takes two to tango. Okay, it takes two to tango. So the next phrase is dodge a bullet. To dodge a bullet means to avoid a problem or to avoid danger. I dodged a bullet when that meeting got cancelled. Okay, so the next one is hats off. Hats off means to show respect or to praise somebody. किसी की तारीफ करना, किसी को इज्जत देना. Hats off, buddy. You won the competition. Competition. Okay. Hats off, buddy. You won the competition. Next one is in a hot water. In a hot water means to be in a difficult situation or in a problem. मुश्किल में होना. Okay. So for this we can say she was in a hot water after quitting the job. वो मुश्किल में थी उस जॉब को छोड़ने के बाद. Okay, the next one is mark my words. Mark my words means मेरे लफ्ज याद रखना or remember my words. So we can say she will regret quitting. Mark my words. वो छोड़कर पछताएगी, याद रखना. Okay, next one is shoot for the moon. Shoot for the moon means aim high. अपने मकसद को ऊंचा रखो या ज़्यादा की कोशिश करो. Okay, always shoot for the moon because if you work hard, you get success. Okay, so next one is by the book. By the book. By the book means to follow the rules and regulations. Suppose if someone follows the rule, so he can say it is by the book. Whatever I said, it is by the book. Okay, so the next phrase is go an extra mile. Go an extra mile means to put extra effort, ज़्यादा मेहनत करना. She has to go an extra mile to pass the CSS test. Okay, next one is leave no stone unturned, which means work as hard as you can. Okay, leave no stone unturned means to try everything possibly. If someone is trying everything possibly, so he is leaving no stone unturned. So you can say she left no stone unturned to pass the test. Okay, next one is under your nose. When something is present near you or it is near you but you can't find it, so you can use this phrase. Most of the time I guess it must have happened with you too. Sometimes the mother, the aunt, or anybody, they're having their glasses on their head and they are finding it everywhere, possibly everywhere, or the keys. Uh, we used to find keys everywhere, and they are just near us. So when this situation occurs, so you can say the keys were right under your nose and you couldn't find. Okay, next, when someone says something bad and that eventually occurs, तो आप किसी को अगर कहना चाहते हैं तुम्हारी जबान बहुत काली है या तुम काली जबान वाले हो, so you should say you have got a wicked tongue or you have a biting tongue. Next, if you want to say sabr rakho, रुक जाओ. So you should say hold your horses. Okay, so if you agree with somebody or if you are in agreement with somebody कि आप किसी के साथ किसी बात पर मुत्तफिक हैं तो आप कहते हैं that we are on the same page. And for this you can say let's meet up before the trip to make sure that we are on the same page. Okay,